Lenovo LOQ 15 IRH8i7 13th Gen Plus RTX 4050. Lenovo Experience Center. Intel Core i7-13620H10 Core. 16GB DDR5 4800 MHz. 512GB SSD NVMe GEN4. 15.6 FHD, 1920x1080, IPS 45% NTSC, 144 Hz, G-Sync. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 6GB GDDR6. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series laptop GPUs are beyond fast for gamers and creators. They're powered by the ultra-efficient NVIDIA ADA Lovelace architecture, which delivers a quantum leap in both performance and eye-powered graphics. Experience lifelike virtual worlds with ray tracing, massively boost performance with DLSS 3. 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C with DisplayPort 1.4 out and 140W power delivery, 3.5mm combo audio jack. Right. Webcam privacy shutter, USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A. Rear, 2x USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-A, RJ45 Ethernet, HDMI 2.1 out, DC in. Elevate your gaming experience on a 39.62 cms, 15.6 WQHD display. Your games will come to life with a lightning-fast 165 Hz variable refresh rate, lifelike colors with 100% sRGB and a bright 350 nit screen. Camera built-in, 1080p, 720p, webcam. Your ultimate typing and gaming potential with the Lenovo LOQ keyboard. With classic tactile touch feel and 1.5mm key travel, you'll enjoy lightning-fast actuation and 100% anti-ghosting for unmatched accuracy. The full-sized arrow keys and number pad help you stay in control in any scenario.